Samsung is expected to launch the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 soon. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 US variant earlier appeared on the FCC certification. We have now spotted the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 global variants on the FCC database. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 global variant has the model number SMF741B. The handset has two batteries, which come with the model numbers EBBF 741ABY and EBBF 742ABI. These batteries have 1097 mAh and 2790 mAh capacities, respectively. As per FCC documents, the charging adapter's model number is EPTA 800, which is a 25-watt USB-C adapter. According to LX local display industry sources, Samsung will use a 50 micrometers thick UTG to take full advantage of the straightening abilities of the water drop hinge it introduced last year. Samsung is rumored to have updated the Galaxy Z Flip 6's primary rear camera with a 50 megapixel resolution, an upgrade over the Galaxy Z Flip 5's 12 megapixel primary rear camera. The 10 megapixel selfie camera and 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera could remain the same as last year's model. As per the listing, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 will support wireless charging and wireless power sharing. It will also support 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be compatible with Wi-Fi 802 2.11 protocols. The upcoming Flip device will not support the Wi-Fi 7 networks. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 was spotted on the Geekbench benchmark database. As per benchmark findings, the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor and 8 GB, 12 GB of RAM, 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB storage. The clamshell foldable will come with Android 14-based One UI 6, 1.1 out of the box, and have software support for at least 7 years. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 global variant has also cleared FCC certification. It has the model number SMF956B. As per the listing, it will feature support for 25W fast charging and 15W wireless charging. The handset will offer 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and UWB support. Similar to the Galaxy Z Flip 6, it will not support Wi-Fi 7 networks. It will likely continue using screens of the same size as its predecessor. So it is expected to sport a 3.4-inch OLED cover screen and a 6.7-inch 120Hz OLED foldable screen. It isn't clear if the cover screen will have a high refresh rate display. It will likely feature an IPX8 rating, stereo speakers, and a side-mounted fingerprint reader. Samsung is yet to reveal the details of its Unpacked event, which will introduce the new Galaxy Foldable. However, rumors suggest that it will be held on July 10th. We shall see what happens when official details come in, so stay tuned. In the earlier version, we mentioned the capacity of one of the batteries of Galaxy Z Flip 6 as 1000 mAh. However, this was an error on our part, and the actual capacity of this battery is 1097 mAh. This means that the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 will feature a 3887 mAh battery, and the company might market it as a 4000 mAh battery as rumored earlier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.